Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your RTA cabinets. You should receive everything in the box that you will need, minus the wood glue if you choose to use it. It is not required, but I personally like to use it. You also receive all of the drawer pulls and any of the screws, anything like that that you may need for the entire project. And to get started, I like to line the grooves with just a little bead of wood glue. I set the corner in place, and then I will take the little corner hinges that you have and just screw those in. It is optional if you want to screw them in before you put the pieces in. I did it both ways and they were both very successful. And then once you get both of the side cabinets on, you will slide the bottom panel in, and then you will put your cabinet upright and screw in the little L pieces to then put your front piece on. There is little grooves, so it should just slide in, and then you screw those into the front piece to hold that front cabinet on. Then I worked on the drawers where I added the glue. They are dovetail, so when you put them together, it is much easier to just use a mallet to secure them in place. If you decide not to use a mallet, you can use a regular hammer. I would just suggest putting something on the wood just so you don't damage any of the wood on the side pieces. Then you'll slide in the bottom piece, and then you will move on to putting the front pieces on. And again, I just use the mallet, a little bit of wood glue, and push those dovetail grooves together, mallet them in to secure them in place. And that is how you put together the wood pieces of your RTA cabinets.